Hi. I heard about this joke about three successful sons. And it's Christmas time and they were bragging about kung ano yung binigay nilang regalo sa kanilang nanay na retire na. And the first son said, I gave mama a beautiful Mercedes-Benz. Yung latest na model ng Mercedes-Benz. And hindi lang yun, yung Mercedes-Benz may kasamang driver. The second son said, well, that's nice, but I gave mama a big mansion. Yung malaking talagang magandang mansion. And the third son said, well, guys, you tried, but I think I have the best gift. Kasi hinanap ko yung parrot, talking parrot na kabisado ang Biblia. So mama just needs to say the chapter and the verse of the book, and then the parrot will recite just like that. And it took 12 years to train that parrot dahil alam kong mahal na mahal ng ating nanay yung Biblia, and so alam kong hindi na siya masyadong nakakapagbasa. So a talking parrot is the best gift. And after a few days, the three of them received a thank you letter from their mother. And to the first son, sabi ng nanay, sweetheart, I want to thank you for your gift, but I am too old. Hindi ko na kaya mag-travel all the time. And I really don't like the driver you sent. He's a little bit rude. And to the second son, she said, honey, thank you so much for your big mansion, but I am so old now. I can only live in a small room, and now I'm obliged to clean up the big house. And to the third son, he said, to you, gusto ko magpasalamat dahil you know your mama. You know kung anong mapagpapaligaya sa nanay mo. The chicken was really delicious. Kinain ng nanay yung talking parrot. You know, I was reading about that. I was just laughing because sometimes we think that knowing the Bible is the key to live a victorious life. And to know the Bible means, being able to quote scriptures and just be so expert in knowing about the Bible. But, in reality, it's a little bit more complicated than that. And we realize that the only Word of God we know is the Word of God we truly follow. I repeat, the only Word of God we truly know is the Word of God we truly follow. Let us not be content in just hearing the Word and maybe memorizing the Word of God, but follow, obey. If we want to experience the power, if we want to experience the victory of the Word of God, we need to obey. God bless you.